69 Mercedes SLK, compressor convertible, there we are, finishing in silver over black and blue leather, owned by the Benz SLK from 2016 to 24, company by good history file, and it's genuine mileage, it is genuine mileage, £1,000, £500, who's got £500 for it, an SLK, thank you, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1150, 1200, 50, no, it's against you, 1250, no, because it is selling, 1250, are you sure? 1300 fresh bidder, 1300, your bid sir, you're both back, 1300, you want a 50 gentlemen, 1300, all the way, you got 50, 30, 40, is it 1400? Is it 15? No, he says no as well. 1400. Then you're going to 1400. Are you sure? All done. Sure bid. I won't take it twice. That's not what we're doing. A 1400 all done. A 14. And your number is 56.
Next up then, lot number 7.